Hi, we are Mike and Donna, and we would like to invite you to join us on our Greek island cruise. On this trip, we travel with our good friends Sarah and Tom on Celebrity Reflections. Our 11-night cruise takes us to some beautiful ports, but prior to boarding, we enjoy 2 wonderful nights in Rome. So come along with us and enjoy our travels. Good morning, folks.
Morning, folks. We are currently in Rome, but we are just going to get our bags labelled up, ready to leave the hotel in about 40 minutes.
Please, can you grab the phone, because I'm shaking that much. It's a wonder they don't think we're on a...
I got him.
Thank you.
There you go. And that's our room behind us.
It's cruise day!
And that's the window behind us. And that's us.
Yeah. Tired, having fun, but yes.
Not tired, because I slept.
Yes, I slept, but because I've slept a really good sleep, I feel even more tired.
We've not slept well, have we, for the last 4 nights, 5 nights?
But that's nothing unusual. But anyway, it's cruise day today. Boarding our cruise, and we're on Celebrity Reflections, and we're heading around the Greek islands. Okay, we're not. Where are we heading then? Are you not sure?
Yeah, I know we're heading towards Greek islands, and then on to Istanbul.
Overnight at Istanbul.
Then up back to Athens. And back to Rome in about 11 days' time. Maybe more for lucky it breaks down.
Fingers crossed.
Okay, guys, we will catch you later when we're about to board the ship.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Hi, folks.
Good afternoon, guys. It's 3 minutes past 1. We are at the cruise terminal. We've dropped our bags off, and we are now waiting for Tom and Sarah to drop their bags off. Unfortunately, they didn't print their baggage tickets off.
They didn't know. They didn't know. Oh, right.
So we're seeing the cruise really to finish already, and then just have a taste and see it all up.
It's kind of crazy here. I'll show you. Celebrity Reflections, here we come. Right, folks, we're about to board. Sarah and Tom and Mike are behind me, and I'm racing ahead. All excited.
And everyone's excited.
Yes. We're in the port of Civitavecchia. And there you did, you daft boy. And it's great. Look at the sea out there beckoning us to come along. Are you excited, babe? Mike loves cruising. I introduced you to it. Made a rod for my own back, didn't I? Wave, folks, wave!
I'm doing Paco's impersonation again.
There we go. Hi, folks.
Oh, hi.
We've literally just checked in, done our lifeboat drill and our, what do you call it, that life vest thing we've got to check. Muster, that's it. And we're now in our cabin. So this is what we've got.
We've been given one of them. How's that work, 2 people?
I've got one anyway from Region.
Receipt.
Okay, this is it basically. Bed, sitting area, wardrobe, cupboards overhead, over the bed, and outside, this is the most important bit for me, the outside space, which is chair and footstool, and again chair and footstool. And that's our view today. Civitavecchia. On a cloudy day. At least it stopped raining. So, we'll keep you posted. Well, folks, we're up on the Lido deck, and my first meal is curry. I love the curry on this ship, so let's wait and see what Mike ends up with. So what have you ended up with?
Roast beef,
Yep,
tandoori chicken,
yep,
grilled chicken, stir
Yep.
fried, and French pancake mashed potatoes.
yum.
Dead roasted veg, but it looked a bit aubergine mushroomish.
Oh, yummy, yummy. Okay, enjoy.
I certainly will. Oh, well, Connor's video of me photographing her.
I'm videoing Mike photographing me, really? Well, we're sat now at the back of the ship.
And the Ocean View Cafe.
And we're going to have a beer, or we're having a beer. Up there is the Sunset Bar. It's aptly named because that's where the sun sets and you can sit out at night time and enjoy it.
Over there.
Pardon?
Well, sailing party.
I don't know actually. I don't know. We've not read the itinerary, have we?
No. We went on one ship and the sailing party at the back of the ship, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It was upstairs.
That was Holland America.
Oh, is that what it was? Yeah. I forgot.
Just getting ready to go. It's really warmed up. The sun is out. Can you see all the seagulls coming in on the little boat that's just come from fishing? It's sunny and it's lovely. We can't wait to set sail. Okay folks, we're pulling away.
Wow.
Yeah.
You wouldn't know we were moving if I couldn't see that.
This is what I say, you won't know.
You see we're moving.
Hello babe.
Hey, honey.
Cheers, Bud Light. Bye bye, Civitavecchia. I'm so Hi folks, we've just had our first shower and it was lovely, so thought you'd then like to listen to the waves with us and see the sun on the water. This is what we really love when we go cruising. Let's show you the waves. Sun on the water. And nothing else in view. So nice. We're in the martini bar. And there's our martinis. Sarah is on a coffee one. Espresso, isn't it? Espresso martini, which is that one. I'm on a candied apple one. Yummy. And Mike's on a, what are you on, sweetheart?
Vodka and tonic.
A vodka and tonic. So there's Mike. So, as you can see, it's full and people are having a great time. There's live music going on downstairs that we can hear, and there's Sarah coming back in now.
Good evening, guys, or good morning, because it's now 12:05.
Hi guys.
We've had a wonderful evening on our first day on the ship. Yeah. We've done this silent disco. We've had a nice meal in a restaurant. We're shattered.
Yeah, we're both shattered. So we're going to head to bed now. So we thought we'd say good night.
Good night, folks.
And we'll see you tomorrow.
We'll see you tomorrow. Good night, God bless.
May God bless.
Ciao.
Bye.
Ciao. That was yesterday, wasn't it?
Have a dirty.
Have a dirty.